We're going to be changing out the rear brake pad for 2019 Honda Accord. So first thing we're going to do is take off the wheel. Well, of course, we're going to loosen it when the wheel's on the ground, jack it up, take it off fully, place some jack stands. Once the wheel is off, I'm going to show you exactly the two bolts that we're taking off. Alright, so we got the wheels off. So what we're going to do, we have this cap cover right here for the bottom, for the top. All you have to do is just pull it out by hand or grab a flathead. So pull it out like that. It's just a cover to keep the boat from being corroded. Then for the top, same thing. Just pull it out like that. Now I don't have a. Now we're not going to use a socket. You actually have to use a 7mm Allen key to put on the ratchet, but I don't have a 7mm, so we're going to be using this. So the key is to not put this all the way in, just put it slightly in, because if you put it all the way in, it's going to get stuck. So put it slightly in, and then what I do, I grab this bar right here, jack stand bar, put it like that, and then we're gonna break it down. So don't put it all the way in, counterclockwise. That's it. Now I broke it loose. Now turn the rest by hand. As you can see, it's coming out. So this is like pretty weird because Hondas and Acura, you just use basically either a 14mm or a 13mm socket to take it out. Now this one, look at that, it just comes off like that. So this whole setup is kind of like weird for me. And the same thing for the top. You don't want to put it all the way in. That. Then just grab a bar and then we're gonna bring it down. So I broke the top loose, so I basically just placed this bar right here and just pull it down. So once we got the two bolts off, you're gonna take off the metal pin. But before you take off the metal pin, you're gonna not start the car, but you're gonna take off the e-brake. If you don't take off the e-brake, you won't be able to take off the caliper. So take off the pin. I'll just put it right here. Slide this out like that, and then put this one right here. Put it right here, and then just slide it out. Just like that. Now we'll be able to take this off. Just like that. Up and down, up and down. Wiggle it and then it comes off. And just carefully place this up right here. And look, it's already pretty low. And then, wow, look at it. We actually have no brakes. Wow, lucky. Lucky we did not get in an accident, but look at that. A little bit more, it could have destroyed the rotor, and then you would have to actually not just replace the brake pad, you would have to replace the brake rotor. So this is the part number in case you need it from Honda for the rear brake pad. They say made it in the USA. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean everything off. Spray the rotors, spray the backside, and then spray out the pistons. Wow, look at this. That should be good enough. So this is pretty weird by Honda. So you cannot use a C-clamp to press the piston back in. What you would have to do, get a needle nose, like what I have, put it on these edges right here, and then turn it. But be careful not to, strip it. Just make sure it's locked in. Turn it like that, little by little. Be patient. Eventually, it's gonna go back in. Like I said, you have to make sure it's locked in like that, and then turn it. And now we're gonna grab the top one. Slide this in. Just push it through, and then just like that, and then like I say, I don't have the right to, so just grab the Allen key. Try not to stick it in all the way, and just turn it. It's going in. Just gonna take a while. See, it's in. Like I say, the correct tool is a 7mm Allen key, but as you can see, we don't have it. So this would just do, and then now let's go to the top. I should have done some research before I did this job, but I thought that, Hondas and Acuras are like all the same. I didn't know the newer Honda Accord, the brake setup is like this. So yeah, it's just like that. We'll be back. So I got it on kind of pretty tight, but we're gonna grab this little bar right here, put it right here, give us leverage, and then super tight, just like that. That's good. Now we do the same thing for the top. Like that. Now you want to make sure you can grab the lower jack pole. That's good. And then we just bang it loose, so we can take this off. And then this same thing. Grab the bar. Okay, that's good. Make that loose. Just like that. So for the last step, as you can see in the video, when I was tying up the bolt, this is gonna be moving a little bit. So what you do, you go in the car, do not start the car up, and pump the brakes a few times, and then it will lock everything in place. Now we're gonna grab the pin. I'm gonna place it back. So what I do, I put one in like that, and then Put this one. Then we're gonna grab a. Where did I put the flathead? Grab the flathead and then kind of guide it up. It's actually going the wrong way. Just like that. And then what I like to do, grab some silicone brake grease and put some on here over the rotor. And then give it a swipe, 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 swipe. This is going to help with the breaking in process, because you have to break in the brake pads. Now don't forget to grab the cap, place it back on like that. Grab the bottom one, place it back on just like that. Pretty simple job. This is actually my first time doing 2018. Well, this is 2019, but it's same thing. 2019 Honda Accord. Usually I do Hondas and Acuras before this, and they do not have these two bolts like this. So this is how you change out the brake pad, the rear brake pad for 2019 Honda Accord. If you have any question, leave me a question in the comment sections. I will respond back. All right, thanks, and be safe.